Hi, this is my Jeep '08 Wrangler Unlimited JK. I had to go through some good trouble to be able to get the knob out for the 4x4. I came up with a way that once you get it off the first time, it'll make it easier to take it off a second or other times. So I've already done it on mine. Pretty much works like this and like that. So what I did was, once I had it out for the first time, I drilled a hole through in there, a 1/4 inch drill bit, and then with a grinder and a cutting blade, I made a notch in the center of the stick, so that it looks like that. It's kind of having trouble focusing. There you go. Anyways, so once again, you will have to have it off the first time, which is pretty hard, and there's other videos helping you know how to do it. But once it's out for the first time, you could do this, and with a pick be able to take this off easier any other times. Hope it helps someone.